Did you know that doing just 30 push-ups a day can drastically change your body in a month? Quite a surprising fact, isn't it? Push-ups, these simple yet powerful exercises, can have profound effects on your physique. They're not just about building biceps or triceps, no. They're an all-in-one package, a full-body workout that engages your core, strengthens your lower back, and enhances your shoulder stability. Over the next few minutes, we're going to explore the progression of these effects, week by week. We'll delve into the changes you'll start to notice, the strength you'll gain, and the transformation that your body will undergo. This isn't just about the physical changes, it's about the mental fortitude you'll build, the discipline you'll develop, and the confidence you'll gain. So are you ready to see what happens to your body when you do 30 push-ups a day for a month? Let's dive in. Week 1, your body is just waking up to this new routine. It's like a bear coming out of hibernation. There's a sense of unfamiliarity as your muscles groan and protest, much like the grumbles of our aforementioned bear. But it's not a sign of defeat. No, it's the sound of transformation. You're probably feeling the sting of initial soreness and fatigue. That's your body doing its job, breaking down old muscle fibers to build new, stronger ones. Each push-up you do engages a symphony of muscle groups, from your chest and shoulders to your arms and core. You're not just doing a push-up, you're conducting an orchestra of strength. As the days pass, you'll notice the soreness subsiding, replaced by a burgeoning sense of power. You're not just surviving the push-ups, you're starting to dominate them. By the end of week 1, your body has awakened to a new challenge, but the best is yet to come. Week 2, the body is starting to feel the burn, but in a good way. You're now in the throes of the push-up challenge, and it's as if your body is saying, "I've got this." The initial soreness has started to fade, replaced by a burgeoning sense of strength. Your muscles are adapting, growing tougher each day, and you're discovering power you never knew you had. The push-ups are not just about building those biceps and triceps, but also about sculpting your core, your chest, your lower back. It's a full-body workout, and your body is responding to it. And let's not forget about the cardiovascular benefits. Each push-up gets your heart pumping, improving circulation and increasing your stamina. You're not just burning fat, you're also building muscle. A 2-for-1 deal. By the end of week 2, you're stronger and fitter. But hold on, we're only halfway there. The journey continues, so brace yourselves for the transformation in week 3. Week 3, now we're talking. Your body is transforming. By the time you hit the 3rd week of doing 30 push-ups every day, your body is like a sculptor's clay, consistently and meticulously molded by your daily efforts. The muscles on your arms, chest, and shoulders are becoming more defined. Each curve and line is a testament to the power of persistence. You may have started this journey with arms as wobbly as jelly, but now those arms are sturdy, strong, and reliable. They're the kind of arms that could carry all the grocery bags in one go, or perhaps even lift a child with ease. Endurance has also increased. Those 30 push-ups that once seemed like a mountain to climb are now more like a hill. You can do them all in one go without needing to take a break halfway through. And it's not just about the push-ups. This newfound endurance spills over into your everyday life, making mundane tasks seem less tiring. Walking up a flight of stairs, piece of cake. Running to catch the bus, no problem. Your posture is also improved. Your back is straighter, your shoulders are held high, and there's a confidence in your stance. You carry yourself differently, and people are starting to take notice. You may not have grown taller, but you're certainly standing taller. But the transformation isn't just physical, it's mental as well. There's a clarity in your thoughts, a focus that wasn't there before. The daily discipline of doing your push-ups has spilled over into other areas of your life. You're more organized, more efficient. You handle stress better because you've learned that you can push through, you can endure. You've also learned to appreciate the journey. Every push-up, every bead of sweat, every moment of fatigue, it's all part of the process. And it's this process, this journey, that has led to the transformation you're experiencing now. By the end of week 3, you can see and feel the transformation. But don't stop now, the final week awaits. Week 4, you've reached the peak. Your body is in the best shape it's been in a long time. The benefits of this simple yet powerful exercise routine are now in full bloom. The mirror doesn't lie, does it? Those 30 push-ups a day have chiseled your physique, defined your muscle tone, and it's impossible not to notice the weight loss. But let's not forget the internal transformation. Your heart, that relentless engine, is healthier than ever due to the cardiovascular boost. And it's not just about the physical. You may have noticed a certain clarity of mind, a heightened focus, a sense of mental well-being. That's no coincidence. Regular exercise, even as basic as push-ups, fosters brain health, reduces stress and anxiety. You have proven to yourself that small, consistent efforts can lead to significant changes. By the end of week 4, you've climbed the mountain. You've transformed your body by doing just 30 push-ups a day for a month. So what have we learned from this push-up journey? Well, the power of persistence truly has been on full display. We've seen how starting with a modest goal of 30 daily push-ups can ignite a transformation in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Over the course of a month, we've witnessed the body's incredible capacity to adapt and improve, turning a seemingly small effort into a significant change. The benefits are manifold, from enhanced muscle tone and strength to improved cardiovascular health and posture. But it's not just about the physical, it's about the mental grit and discipline that's cultivated along the way. The takeaway: no action, however small, is insignificant. Consistency is key, and with it comes progress that is both tangible and rewarding. So shake off those doubts and remember the power of persistence. Remember, your body is capable of amazing things. All it takes is a little persistence, a dash of dedication, and 30 push-ups a day.